Good morning class. Welcome to our college Sharad Institute of Technology Polytechnic ADRA Department of Information Technology. Today start 13th lecture on course, that is subject name data structure using C. Syllabus for that subject, their total 5 units are there. Unit number 1 Introduction to Data Structures for 6 marks. Unit number 2 Searching and Sorting for 12 marks. Unit number 3 Stacks and Queues for 20 marks. Unit number 4 Linked List for 16 marks. Unit number 5 Trees and Graphs for 16 marks. In that we already complete the unit number 1 Introduction to Data Structures for 6 marks. Now we start in our previous lectures unit number 2 Searching and Sorting for 12 marks. In a unit number 2 Searching and Sorting, the syllabus are as below. There are two main points, 2.1 Searching and 2.2 Sorting. In a 2.1 point is completed. Now we start the 2.2 Sorting. In that we already complete in a previous lecture bubble sort methods. Okay, means what? In up to today's lecture we complete the concept of searching, after that linear search, binary search, after that sorting concept, after that bubble sort method. Okay, now today's on lectures we start the point or method on a sorting. What is that? Selection sort. Okay, now start today's lecture on selection sort concept or definition. Selection sort algorithm is used to arrange the list of elements in a particular order. That order is ascending or descending. Okay, clear that? Means what? Sort means what? We arrange in a order that element are present in a array. In which order? Ascending or descending. But in generally that are order in a ascending. When any time not up to that questions in asked in a descending order, but now in a future or in your exam ask that elements are arranged in descending, so you know that we means what? That order in a ascending or descending. Okay, after that next point, in that clear that means selection sort algorithm is used to arrange the list of elements in a particular order. In which particular order? Ascending or descending. After that the selection sort is the easiest method of sorting. Okay, what is the work of that selection sort? In selection sort, the 0th element is compared with all other elements. If 0th element is found to be greater than compared element, then they are interchanged. Okay, means what? In a selection sort, 0th element, 0th why? Because in a array their elements are starting from 0th location. So in that taking 0th element is compared with all other elements are present in that array. If that 0th element is found to be greater, okay, means for example 0th element is greater than which numbers we compared, so that time they are interchanged. Okay, after the first iteration, okay, means what? First of all 0th element is compared with first element. Okay, that time 0th element is greater, then swap or interchange. After that 0th element is compared with second element, third element, up to your array is completed. After that, after means what? When 0th element are compared with all, means when 0th element is compared with all remaining elements, that time your complete first iteration. Okay, means that after the first iteration the smallest element is placed at 0th position. Means after that first iteration you sorted in array in one number, okay, one element is sorted, okay, that are placed in 0th position in a smallest element. Okay, next point, then we select the element at second position in the list. Okay, then first position is sort. Okay, after that first iteration 0th position, after that first position. Okay, then the select the element at the second position in the list. It is compared with remaining all elements in the list. Okay, in that 0th position is number is sorted. Okay, means that in a list in your array first position is will be sort. Okay, after that we sort the second position. So in that said that then we select the element at second position in the list. It is compared with remaining all elements in the list. Means if first element in a first iteration 0th element we compared, in a second iteration first element is found to be greater than compared elements, then they are interchanged. Okay, this process is repeated till the entire list is sorted. Okay, the selection sort is nearly the same as the exchange sort, so it is known as the push down sort also. Okay, using through example you easily clear this point. Syntax. What is the syntax is used for this selection sort method is that for I is equal to 0 means what syntax or your logic, which logic or which syntax is used for I is equal to 0, I less than size I plus plus, after that j is equal to j I plus 1, j less than size j plus plus. If list of I greater than list of j, then interchange. Okay, then interchange. Okay, means what? For example, I is equal to 0, your size is for example 5, means array elements are in your array, there are the 5, means 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, checking is that condition is true, after that going in an inner for loop, in that j is equal to I plus 1 means your I is 0, 0 plus 1, 1 means j value is 1. Okay, 1 is less than 5, size your 5, so it is condition also true. After going in a inner for loop means true part. Okay, in that if list of I your 0 position and greater than list of j means your 1 in a array, your 0th position is compared with first position. When 0th position is greater than that first position, then interchange means that are swap. Okay, otherwise next not greater than, then not swap. After the j plus plus means that j plus plus means 0, sorry, j already 1, 1 plus 1 2 means list of 0th position is greater than list of 2 means your array position is second compared with that, also checking if is greater then interchange, otherwise not. This process is continue up to your this condition is false, after that this condition is false. Okay, so this logic is used for this method. Time complexity of selection sort is in worst case big of n square, best case big of n square, and average case is big of n square, because in that comparisons will be obtained when n minus 1th up to that passes or iteration, so that in that which complexity is used, big of n square means n means your how many numbers are element in a array, that in a first means in a list how many numbers are present. Okay, that square your comparisons will be obtained. So in that time complexity is big of n square. Okay, algorithm. In the first iteration, 0th element is compared with first element. If 0th element is greater than, they are interchanged. Okay, in that told that in a first iteration, zeroth element is compared with first element. Okay, if zeroth element is greater, then it is interchanged. Okay, means in that zeroth element is greater, then interchange. If zeroth element is not greater than first element, then they are not interchanged. The process is repeated till the zeroth element is compared with rest of the elements. At the end of first iteration, zeroth element holds the smallest number. This using through algorithm. After that first iteration, zeroth element holds the smallest number. In a second next step or next algorithm, second iteration will starts with the first element because after a first iteration, zeroth element will be holds the smallest number, means that sort the element. So next iteration start from with the first element. Okay, after that second iteration, first element will be that proper position will be put or place. Okay, after that second element, that is known as the third iteration. That's like continue the next part, means second iteration start will be the first element. The process of comparisons and swapping is repeated. Okay, after n minus 1th iteration, okay, after the n minus 1th iteration, the array is sorted. Okay, n minus 1 means, for example, your n is, so your array element is 5, then 5 minus 1 4, means 4 iterations are created in this method. Okay, get it? Algorithm. After that, these all methods are in easily only for that which logic are used, that is that clear that, then you easily understood. After that method explanation or example or algorithm you write in your own words. Okay, means first of all you clear that point, means in this method what logic is used, in which logic through that numbers are sorted, in a bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort, quick sort, that's like. Okay, or also in a searching, linear search, binary search. Okay, of each methods are techniques or logic are different, that logic are only for you clear there, then you easily understood and you easily write that answer. Okay, example, using example through you clear that point. Consider the following list of elements and sort it in a ascending order using selection sort. Okay, in that example giving in a previous lecture, means in a bubble sort, which taking in elements, that elements are taken in that also. Okay, because you easily understood, or you what difference in that sorting, you easily clear it. Okay, pass 1, that numbers are taking in a array, means it is the array, so it is starting with, means that numbers stored in a memory from 0th location. You already known that 0th location, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, there are 6 numbers. Okay, but there are the 5 because starting with 0. Okay, and your pass is also 5 because in that algorithm told that n numbers, so n minus 1th iterations are created. There the n numbers in how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 minus 1, 5. So 5 passes are obtained. You also known as 5. You also words are used pass or iteration. Okay, any word you use it. Okay, in a pass word, that elements. Okay, operation. First of all, 0th element means 75. 75 is compared with 16, first element. Okay, in that check 75 is greater than 16, true. So swap these numbers 75, 16 and 75. Okay, after that next point, in that 0th element, which is the element are 16 are compared with 18. Whenever that array is completed, that time to that compare with 0th position. Clear that? It is our algorithm. Only for one element is not compared. Second position, third, fourth, fifth, all numbers, all remaining elements are compared with that 0th element. When last element, 5th element are compared with 0th element, after that your first position means 0th element will be sorted in a pass 1. Clear that? Okay, continue. After that 16 is compared with 80. Okay, no swap for 16 and 80 because 16 is less than as compared to 80. So after that 16 is compared to 10. Okay, 16 is greater than 10. Okay, we'll use 0th position is greater than. Okay, if 0th position is greater, then they are interchanged. Okay, in that 16 is greater than 10, so they are interchanged. After that 10th position, 0th position, 10 number is compared with next 4th position. Okay, or 4th index. You also known as also word use position or index. Okay. Okay. 10 is compared with 18. In that 10 is not greater than 18, so no swap for 10 and 18. After that 10 is compared with 6. In that 10 is greater than 6, so swap that, means interchange that 10 and 6. Okay, means at the end of pass 1, first smallest element of array is placed at its proper position. Clear that? Pass 1 same as the remaining passes. Pass 2, in that which are after the pass 1 numbers are sorted, that numbers are taken, means 6, 75, 80, 6, 75, 80, after that 16, 18, 10, 16, 18, 10. Clear that? Okay, in that already your 0th position will be sorted. So next iteration or next pass taking with first element. In the algorithm told that second iteration start with the first element. Clear that? How will we? In a second iteration or in a second pass, sorting or start with first element. Okay, in that 75 first element, 75 is compared with 80. Okay, second position, next position is second element, so compared with 80. 75 is not greater than 80, so no swap for 75 and 80. After that 75 is checking with compared with 16. 75 is greater than 16, so swap 16 and 75. After that 16 first element I am compared. Okay, 0th element already sorted, so not taken that, only for first element. First element 16 is compared with 18. 16 is not greater than 18, so no swap that between. Okay, after that 16 is compared with 10. 16 is greater than 10, so swap for that numbers 16 and 10. At the end of pass 2, second smallest element of array is placed at its proper position. Clear that? After a third, pass third. Okay, in that which are numbers are taken? 6, 10, 80, 6, 10, 80, 75, 18, 16. 75, 18, 16. Clear that? Okay, and in a pass 3, pass 1, 0th position is sorted and first element is sorted in a second pass. Okay, so they are not taken in. Okay, when we next pass is will use, that time taken the next element. Okay, means not second element. Okay, 80 is compared with next element, third position, third index, which are 75. So in that 80 is greater than 75, so swap that numbers, third 75, 80. After 75, second position, second index are compared with next index, 18. Okay, in that 75 is greater than 18, so swap that. After that means what? In that 18 and in a 18 position 75 is place. Okay. 18 is compared with 16. 18 is greater than 16, so swap that 16 and 18. Seen that? Okay. The pass 3 is finished. At the end of pass 3, third smallest element is array is placed at its proper position. Clear that? Okay. In a bubble sort, last positions are fixed. In a selection sort, first positions are fixed. In a bubble sort, largest after that smallest, that means largest wise that are sorted. In that selection sort, smallest numbers wise sorted. This is the difference between in these two methods. Okay. Clear that your point. After a pass 4, that number, which number taken? 6, 10, 16. 6, 10, 16. After that 80, 75, 18. 80, 75, 18. Okay. In that we select the which number? Third position or third index. Select that number. Okay. 80. 80 is compared with 75. 80 is greater than 75. So swap that numbers. Next point, next 75 will be selected that are compared with 18. 75 is greater than 18, so swap that 18 and 75. Pass 4 finish. Okay, means at the end of pass 4, fourth smallest element of array is placed at its proper position. Okay, in that element we first of all select and that are compared with remaining numbers. So in that method known as the selection. Okay, selection sort. After a 5 pass, in a pass 5, which numbers are taken? 6, 10, 16, 18. After that 80 and 75. Fourth position, fourth index will be select, which are the 80. They are compared with 75. 80 is greater than 75. So swap that numbers, means 75, 80, 80, pass 5, finish. Means at the end of pass 5, fifth smallest element of array is placed at its proper position. In each and every pass, one element will be placed at its proper position. So after the pass 5, we will get the complete sorted array. Clear that? In using this example, you easily understood and you are clear that point. Means in a selection sort, which technique or which logic is used. Okay, in that smallest number through sort this number. In a bubble sort, largest numbers will be the sort this using sorted that. Clear that? After that program. Okay, means using C. Anytime question is asked to write the C program also. So hash include std.h, hash include choreo.h. You already known. These are the header files. While main is function. Int I, j, n, temp, array of 25. These are the variables are used in our program. In that, taking a integer array, their size is 25. Okay. Clear screen. We using them. Clear that your output window. Printf /n means they are displaying a new line. How many numbers you are going to enter in a array. Okay. Once again told that using for output printf function is used, and for input scanf function is used. Printf functions both purpose that use. First purpose is that only for message display, only for using the purpose of message, for understanding by user, that time to use printf function, and also use the when displays the output, that time to also use the printf function. Okay, in that use for only for message purpose, because in a output screen when user any giving the input, that time to know what is the actually given the input. Okay, in using through message through, that users are clear that point, means in that type any how many numbers you are going in a enter in a array. In this message through easily user understood. For example, your message is not in there, so user what numbers are entered. Okay, or how many numbers are entered, not get that message or clear that user that for user purpose. So that so message are uses. Okay, and you also that habit you added in yourself. Okay, you also use that's message like. Okay, start now, continue the point. Scanf %d address of n. Okay, %d, it is a data specifier. It is used for %d because it is an integer. So use %d. N is the taking a integer variable. So okay, because your numbers are in a integer, so taking a integer variable. Okay, what is mean by variable, what is mean by data type, you already know. Okay, what they are taking the integer data type because your numbers are in a integer. So after that, printf slash means in a new line enter %d element. Okay, in a n, how many numbers are used or how many numbers are stored that are displayed using this data specifier. Okay, means output in enter 6. In how to display the 6 using that by the %d. Okay, after that it is the comment. Okay, when we use the any give the comment, that time to use that using this symbol means slash, double slash. Okay, that's when using that double slash that given as a comment, and that sentence not affect that that your code. Okay, using through comment, users are or programmer, you know what is that use in this code. In that use the comment loop to get the elements sorted in a array, means in that get the elements using through loop get the elements, means that input that numbers. Okay, input that elements in a array. In that use the for loop because in a array many numbers are there, and each numbers when input that one statement or one input functions are repeated whenever up to your array is complete. So in that use the loop. Okay, and in a generally for loop is used for array, so we taking the for loop. Okay, I is equal to 0 means your array, for example your n is 5, means scanf you write 5 times, scanf 5 times, no. Okay, that return your time is reduced using the for loop. Clear that? Okay, I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, means up to n, that scanf that numbers array of 0. After that array 0 position is increased by 1 2 3, means array of 1 2 3 next elements will be the stored in that array position. Clear that? Starting from 0 because array will be start with 0th position. Okay, after that logic of selection sort algorithm, which logic are used in that folder, in a syntax also with that explain it. Okay, for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, because your size is in a stored in a n variable, so taking n. J is equal to I plus 1, j less than n, j plus plus. If array of R is greater than array of j, then temporary one variable is taken for temporary, because when interchange that number, then in a 0 when in a 0th position you first element will be assigned, that 0th element are override. So we firstly 0th positions value will be stored in a any another variable that like a temporary. After that first element is override in 0th element, and in a first element or in a first position or in a first index, that temporary variable will be the assigned or placed. Okay, so that purpose we use the temp variable. Clear that? After that printf slash n means new line sorted elements, slash n means in a new line through your numbers are displayed one by one. Okay, okay, one by one displayed. For I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, means printf %d means data specifier in array of 0 which are elements are there that are displayed /n means in a new line. After that I plus means 0 increase by 1 means array of 1 number displayed. Next line new line array of 2 3 4 up to your n is complete. That elements will be the displayed using this printf function. After that get ch means your white your output is displayed and you exit in your void, exit your main function, okay, which will be the open. Okay, output in that message, how many numbers you are going to enter in a array, this message will be displayed. Okay, in that how many numbers you are going into okay, output is that how many numbers you are going to enter in an array. 6 means your 6 elements are entered in a array. That enter 6 elements that taking which are in a example, taking that numbers are taking in for output 75 16 80 10 18 6 in that. Okay, after that display output will be displayed which we are getting after the 5 6 10 16 18 75 80 6 10 16 80 75 80. Okay, in that logic I is equal to 0. Okay, I less than 6, in that n is your 6, so I less than n condition is true. Inner part j is equal to I plus 1 means I your 0 0 plus 1 1 means j of 1 1 less than n your 6 1 less than n condition is true. Going in a inner part means that I means 0th position and j means 1 means that 0th position 75 is compared with 16. In that told that pass 1 75 is compared with 16 is greater than 75 is greater than 75 is greater than 16 true, so swap that number means interchange that number in a pass 1 interchange that. After that j plus 1 means j value j increment by 1 j your 1 1 by 2. Okay, in that 0 0 plus 1 1. Okay, after that increment by 1 means our j is 2 means array of 0 is compared with array of 2. Yeah, that array of 0 is compared with array of 2. Okay, in that condition is true then swap, otherwise no. After that array of 2 3 increase by 1 means 0 compared with third, 0 is compared with third 10. Okay, after that j is 4 means 0th position compared with 18. After that j 5 means 0 compared with that 5th means 6. Okay, after that your 6 is your first iteration is complete. After that j is false when in that 6 is less than 6, that time condition is false. In a outer for loop here will be control will be move in that I plus 1. Okay, I plus 1 means 1 less than n condition true. Going in a next 1 means your next position or next index. Okay, it means what, in a second pass first element. Okay, in that I is already 1 1 plus 1 2. Okay, means in that I of 1 and j of 2 are checked in a pass 2. Sorry, pass 2 in a first element is compared with second. After that j 1 plus 1 third fourth fifth. After that your first position will be sort. That next pass this type this like that I when increase means your pass will be increased. This through all numbers will be sorted and after that displayed using this printf function. Clear that? Okay. Advantages of selection sort and disadvantages of selection sort. Selection sort is simple and easy to implement. Okay, it gives 60% performance improvement over the bubble sort. In selection sort is simple and easy to implement. Why is simple and easy to implement? In that only for 0th position compare with all element. Okay, and after that next element compare with all element. Okay, so in that said that it is the simple and easy to implement. It gives 60% performance improvement over the bubble sort. As compared to bubble sort, in that selection sort 60% performance is improved. Okay, after it can be used for small data set, same as the bubble sort. Means that if it can be used, your list is small, means your array size is small. When we bigger, then your passes will be bigger. Okay, for example, you taking a 20 element in a array, means 19 passes will be created. So that confusing. So that in that told that it can be used for small data sets, means small element of array. Disadvantages is that opposite disadvantages is that selection sort perform poor when dealing with large number of elements. Clear that? When large number of elements are in a stored in a array, that time performance, means this selection sort method performance is poor. Okay. Next slide. Summary on this today's lecture. Okay, which method or which technique are used under the selection sort in their concept, which points we have studied in on today's lecture. Concept or definition, also known syntax, after that algorithm, after that example, after that program, after that advantages and disadvantages. These points are studied on this under the selection sort. Okay. Homework on today's lecture. Continue the assignment number 2. Okay. In a previous lecture, up to 15 questions are there. Now continue the next question, 16. Describe working of selection sort with example. Means that working of selection sort means in details we are written that answer. Means what? That definition or also known as the concept. In that write down the concept. After that algorithm. After that example. Also your fast writing. Then also we write the syntax also. But important is the concept, algorithm and example. Using example through means using iteration through, using pass through, you display your or you shown your sorting numbers. Means that which examples in this example, in this through, in pass through, in iteration through, your numbers will be sorted. Okay. After that, means when we question is arise working of any selection sort, bubble sort, insertion sort, radical sort or quick sort, important is that write concept, algorithm and example. That three important points are there. Okay. Also you write the syntax also. Okay. When question arise, advantages, disadvantages, and write down. And your writing is fast. Okay, then you also write the advantages, any one advantages, disadvantages also. Okay, but important point is concept, algorithm and example are must you write in that question when asked to working word. Okay, or describe. Okay, describe working or or question arise in detail, write down selection sort with example, etc. Okay. Next question, describe working of selection sort method. They also told that describe working of selection sort method means what? In that write your concept or you write your algorithm also, taking it that answer. Okay, in a short, in a write your all, because in that two questions are arise. One question is describe working of selection sort method and also one question arise that using numbers through you sort that number and that passes or iteration also shown. Means that in that describe working of selection sort, in that only for write the concept or algorithm. Okay. Also sort given input list in a ascending order. In the write the ascending order using selection sort. These numbers are taken and this numbers through example, means in that our point we taking a examples, means giving a number that in your that questions you giving the number, which numbers 55, it is not a minus 55, sorry, not a minus 55, 55, 25, 5, 59, 35. Okay, after the next question. Okay, in that also in using number through we sort that, but in that steps for performing selection sort will be given, means step write down, means your passes or iterations will be write down. Okay, in that also question arise for only for write the algorithm, ask for I think 2 marks algorithm and advantage and disadvantage, state only for state advantage disadvantage, it is for I think 2 marks, and also it is 2 marks. Okay, that's time to questions. Okay, and one point in that told the question ascending order, in that not told the ascending order, so you only for use the ascending order. In a, for example, in a question mention the descending order, that time to only that numbers are ordered in a descending. In that change only for in a program, in that greater than size sign, in that will be change the sign, less than sign, same as the bubble sort in that. Okay, but in that your syntax will be the change. Okay, means what, in that we check the 75 is greater than 16, then swap it. In that check 75 less than 16, then swap it. That time too when we descending order is used, but in generally only for asking the ascending order, and you write working only for ascending order purpose. Okay, not a write on descending order, only for write in a ascending order purpose. Any time question up to now your I scheme. Okay, your 3 board question paper is completed, not any one question, not any asking any time that in a descending order, but you know, so I am to telling. Okay, when only for sign is changed in a program, means in a logic, in that you use greater than, means you use logic less than condition. Okay, okay, today's lecture, sorry, here stop our today's lecture. Okay, in this lecture any point doubts is created, okay, arise, then contact with me, no problem. Okay, thank you.